So, hello and welcome to another lecture in SaltStack DevOps Automation powered by Semaphore UI course by TechLatest.net. So far, we had covered a lot of things like course overview and then introduction to SaltStack, key features of SaltStack, benefits of SaltStack for DevOps, benefits of using SaltStack TechLatest VM, reasons to choose TechLatest SaltStack VM, then SaltStack key concepts, then setting up SaltStack on various cloud platforms, including AWS, GCP, and Azure. Now, in this lecture, we'll cover basically overview of Semaphore UI, like Semaphore UI. So basically, what is Semaphore UI and other things. Okay, let's start this lecture. If you go on Semaphore website, so here you can see this type of stuff, semaphoreui.com. So here you can see a lot of things like about Semaphore, and you can also go through because it is also an open source project. If you want to contribute in Semaphore UI. So you can go to contribution for also. Then let's start with a basic introduction about the semaphore. Okay, let me open my uh, PPD. Okay, so this is basically our overview of Semaphore UI. So Semaphore UI is a modern-based user interface designed for executing automation tasks using tools as such as Ansible, Terraform, open to fund Plumi. So it simplifies the management of and execution of automation scripts and playbooks, making it particularly user friendly for DevOps team. Okay, so basically it is a user-based interface, modern web user-based interface. If you check the user interface of Semaphore UI, my user is already running. So you can see this is basically the user interface. So you can see the admin options and other things. Okay, so this is a web-based user interface, and there are some key features of Semaphore UI also. So basically, it is a responsive design. Semaphore UI is accessible on various devices, including mobile, allowing users to manage tasks on GO2. Then support for multiple technologies. It support running Ansible playbooks, set up Terraform, configuration and open tofu code. The versatility make it suitable for a wide range of automation tasks. Then user management. The platform allows for delegation of responsibilities, enabling different users to run playbooks while maintaining an audit trail of action taken. Scheduling and notification. Users can schedule playbook execution, receive notification regarding the status of these runs, enhancing operational efficiency and database support. Semaphore UI is compatible with several databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, which allows for flexible data management. Then development and availability. Semaphore UI is an open source project written in Go, making it lightweight and sufficient. Efficient. It is available on multiple operating systems, including Windows, Macs, and Linux x64 ARM. The project aims to like provide a high quality code base by continuously evolving based on community feedback. Okay, so this is basic introduction about Semaphore UI. We'll go one by one about all the things. Okay, so if you check the Semaphore UI on Google, Semaphore UI. Uh, okay, no, give me 1 minute. I think here you can see the direct link. Okay, so if we click on this link, so this is also the open source project. Here you can see the modern UI and open powerful API for Ansible, Terraform, OpenTofu, PowerShell, and other DevOps tools. Okay, so again, if you are an open source contributor, you can go for contribution also. Okay, here you can see this type of stuff, and my Semaphore UI is already running. Okay, so if you click on this, here you can see the IP address, and then here you can see the salt stack. Basically, we'll provide this VM with salt stack and Semaphore UI. Okay, so here you can see the dashboard. So here you can see activities and other things in Semaphore UI. Okay, then settings options are here, and you can also see the Telegram options and other things, backup project option, delete project option. Okay, if you click on task template, so you can see if you want to create a new task template, so you can create from here. If you click on bash script, so you can go for here, you can give task name, repository name, and other things. Then you can do the build options, then you can go for deployment. And if you click on SaltStack, so you can see the SaltStack option are also there. So same steps are SaltStack for also. This is basically the settings option. If you click on settings option, so you can see the repository and other things like name, version, status, last task, playbooks, inventory, environment variables, repository. Okay. Then here you can see the scheduled option. If you want to do some schedules or anything. So you can go to over this. You can also see the template option. Basically, here is no data available because I'm not doing anything. I will give you an overview of like what is Semaphore UI. If you want to click a new schedule, so you can go to for new schedule. Also, then inventory option are here. You can see the from this button you can like create inventories. If you want to create an Ansible inventory, so here Ansible option are there, Terraform option are there, OpenTofu option are there. And if you check the definition of Semaphore, so modern UI powerful API for Ansible, Terraform, OpenTofu, PowerShell, and other DevOps tool. Okay, so these three are the options here: Terraform, OpenTofu, and Ansible. If you click on OpenTofu, so you can see the this type of stuff. Then if you click on Terraform option, so here you can see this type of stuff. Then same here, if you click on Ansible, so here you can see the user credentials and other things. So you can good to go for this. Also, you can do anything with this. Then if you want to create a new environment, so you can simply click on a new environment button. You can go for creating a new environment. Then key store options are if you want to create a new key, so you can create a new key option are also here. You can see the options are SSH key, login file, password, and none option. So okay, you can select one according to your needs. Then if you want to like check the repositories, so if you click on repository section, if you want to create a new repository, so simply click on new repository. You can give URL, path, branch, and access keys. Then you can give name, and you can go to over create a new repository also. Then integration option are there. Okay, so if you click on new integration options, you can see the task templates and other things, auth method, name, and other things. Then here you can see the add alias option. If you want to if you want to like add alias option, so you can get uh, you can simply do with this button. Then I'm deleting this one. Then here you can see the team option. If you want to give a owner and rules, new team member, if you want to create new, if you want to add new team members, simply you can create here and add here role, give role as owner, manager, task, guest, anything. Okay, so you can do this stuff. Here you can see the dark and light mode. Then here you can see the admin option and users. You can see the user items, task, edit and sign out option. Okay, so this is about the Semaphore UI. So I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. We will meet in next video.